Hi traders, welcome to the video. Please pause the video and make sure you understand the disclaimer before proceeding. Traders, Anthony here. I sent this image, I took a snapshot of this multi-chart layout here prior to this move. Now we're starting to see some bearish price action coming into play. I sent this to my VIP group and mentioned that we're starting to see weakness showing in the charts, and we could see some downside towards the end of the week. I'm interested in possibly trading. Let's have a look. The FTSE is the slowest off the mark at the moment. I'll open that up and we'll have a look at that. So I'm going to treat the others as a bit of a leading indicator. This one's traded down and retraced. So what I'm looking at here is this, basically. Have a look at this price action. Look at this trend. And then we see the weakness starting to come into this chart up here. We've got these relative equal highs. If I could pull that through here, it spikes up. And I mean, as far as I'm concerned, this is nothing more than a liquidity grab. Let's just grab the drawing tool here. Okay, you get these relative equal highs through here, bit of a range. It spikes down, traps short traders in, spikes up, takes out liquidity, another move to the downside, and then now we're starting to see this. Now, you want to be a little bit careful because what I'm interested in is this area here. So what we'll do is we'll delete the drawings and we'll go down to the lower time frame, and I'll show you what I'm looking for in terms of an opportunity to enter this. Watch out for where you see this candle here. So what we've got is we've got range, well, even back through here, spikes down. I call it the fakey shaky. And then it trades up, takes out buy side liquidity. So this is drawing short traders in, building liquidity above. Then they trade it up and they attack stops. And then we start to see it trade off. Now, what we do have here is this thin candle. If you have a look to the left and right of it, we've got this gap here. And I'm going to be looking for an opportunity if we see this trade back up into this area. So I'm just going to pull that through. And in fact, we've traded back up. So I'll just take this high here. We'll grab that and I'll just call that a price gap. That's on the 30-minute chart. And I want to have a look and see what this looks like. Well, I mean, that's the high. So whatever time frame you're on, that'll be it pretty much. So let's just mark that up. Price gap. Just watch out for the volatility. If you go chasing price down around these levels here, and then this spikes back up, you can get taken out very easily. I'm looking for an entry up here now. Look, if it takes off without me, leaves me behind, and we don't see it move here, I'm good to let this go pretty much. But what I want to see is, in fact, what we'll do, let's just grab the Forex sessions. Don't have it. All right, we've got the London Open, and that kicks off at my time, say 1700. I'll just mark that up so I can see where the session times are. Brisbane time, I'm in Brisbane, Australia. Then we've got the London Open. So see, it's trading down into the London Open. So just be a little bit careful. This could rotate here and head back up. Possibly. I mean, I could be wrong, but I've seen it. I've seen it too many times. Then around 1900, we've got the Asia close. I'll go down to the lower time frame. It's easy to see it on a 15 and a 5-minute chart, even a 3-minute. But this is what I'm looking for at the moment. If we go down, so let's just have a look at it on the 15, see what that looks like. We're looking for, 1900. Okay. So we've got the Asia close. It's trading up into the Asia close. So just be a little bit careful. And then we've got the New York Open a bit later on. So let's just mark it up. And I'm going to be looking to get involved with this probably around the session times. And I'm thinking quite possibly it's going to be around the New York Open a bit later on. I'm looking for an opportunity, if this trades back up into the New York Open around this gap up here, this price gap level. And then I'm going to be looking for, basically see how it trades into the session time and then see what happens around here. Look, if it doesn't move back into this level, I'm going to let it go. But I'd love to see it trade back up and give me an opportunity to get in at a discount, this 30-minute price gap up here. So guys, I mean, that's what I'm looking at, the UK100. If you've gained something from the video, comment, smash the likes, subscribe, click the links below, check out my Telegram group and website. And look, with that, I hope you have a great day, safe trading, and we'll see you on the next one.